light in my darkness. You step into my world, you illuminate it. Expose my brokenness, you restore me. You give me a life that is worth living for, worth dying for, perfect morning star. Your mercy new and fresh with every sunrise. Awake me from my slumber, you give me new eyes. Mesmerized by perfect love at first sight. And my heart cries to know you, dear God, is heaven on earth. Heaven on earth, heaven, heaven on earth. To have you here, God, is heaven on earth. Oh, to know you, dear God, is heaven on earth. Heaven on earth, heaven, heaven on earth. To have you here, God, is heaven on earth. Oh, ageless one, the word that spoke the world into existence. Beyond its death you reign in all of your brilliance. Your throne is my horizon, your kingdom come, your will done. You've quenched my wanderlust.